SB19 Vlogs, We Saw Hollywood Nights and Maple Dreams, mga madam sir, no? Panoorin po natin to, no? North America Part 1. So, ito yung vlogs ng ating mahalima nung nandito nga po sila sa North America, no? So, ito yung California, Los Angeles, Toronto, tapos Calgary nga po na show nila dito, no? Yung pinaka-concert nila nga po dito. Ito yung pinaka-part 1 ng vlogs. Okay, so mga madam sir, samahan nyo po akong panoorin to, no? Gusto kong panoorin ng diretso ng kasama kayo. 24 minutes yung pinaka-video. So, let's go. I-play na agad natin to, no?
Kala mo
Video si Justin sa US. May video cam din daw si Stel.
Pangilang US mo to? Port para sa
Safe flight po. Manila to San Francisco. Okay, sa San Francisco. So ito yung ano nila, ano, yung world tour nila sa San Francisco, California. Let's go. San Francisco arrival. San Francisco ba ito? Manila Bay. Yun. Giniginaw. Justin giniginaw.
Hi guys, this is our first leg sa aming tour. Dito kami ngayon sa San Francisco and meet namin yung mga dancers here sa San Francisco because we weren't able to bring W3. So we have new set of dancers na dito nakabase sa US. So nagre-rehearse kami. Kanina pa sila nagre-rehearse. Tomorrow na yung show. So let's go.
Preparing. Ano, rehearsal, oh.
ano lang siya? Kaso, shoulder.
Coach Jay, oh.
Parang dati.
Ay, hello. Ingat po, boss, Josh.
Okay, so yeah, of course.
Okay. Ilang lahat. It's 5, and it's 6, and it's
7.
Food trip na naman, oh. Talo. Ano ba naman ito? Si Stel.
Nanto ka ba? Nanto ka? Yung nanto ka magising dito.
Pero pwede.
Pinigilan mo ba siya? Hindi, hinayaan lang niya. Sabi lang niya. Pero nagulat na siya. Ate, nakaganon kasi siya, ate. Minomonitor niya yung photos. Minomonitor niya yung photos, tapos biglang ginano siya. Parang pusa eh.
Parang pusa. Ba't ginawa ang pusa?
Tapos naman tayo.
Nabiling ko bola ko to.
Iska. Redwood City Theater. Fox Theater, Redwood. Habang nabi-briefing yung apat, may bata naglalaro sa likod. Naglalaro sa likod na bata.
Ito ako maghawak. Mali yung ganun. Dito pa rin ganun. Yan, fast ball.
Fox Theater, Redwood City.
Hi everyone! So
Okay.
today is the first day of the US leg show. We're here sa San Francisco for the first Hey, yay! So
Yay.
everyone's here sa backstage preparing for the show. And I think last one na si Justin sa glam. And after, we'll do sound check. So yeah, I'm taking my time lang to do some things before the show starts, like kakain. Yun naman. But yeah, I think everything's doing fine, doing great. Ay, sana lang maging smooth yung show ngayon. Though, kinakapa namin yung mga nangyayari. Kasi nga first show, but things ko naman okay.
Excited to meet fans.
Yeah, excited, syempre. Excited to meet everyone later. Yeah, na-miss namin kayo. See you.
Okay. Uy. Tulog. Concentrate lang po siya. Nagko-concentrate matulog. Okay, sound check.
Our last tour, I wore like a band.
Nagawa nito.
Boom.
On stage?
Yeah, on stage. Oh no.
I really went back after that. Hold on, I'm on the stage.
Pablo, anong nagawa mo? Okay. Ito na yung mismong ito na nga. San Francisco, Los Angeles. Okay, ito na yung ano. Okay. Day 1, Los Angeles na sila. Tapos na yung San Francisco, no? Naway makapag-rest po kayo, Mahalima. Yun. Bago na naman laruan si Stel.
Eat you alive.
Gilid na may boses.
Really?
You don't that can.
Sige, lagay mo muna doon. Lagay mo muna.
Ang cute. Sound check.
Hi Josh. Hi.
Cute naman ng mga baby 18. Uy! Ang ganda nila oh.
Mag-perform na maayos agad ang SB19 Lord. Sa
Uy.
boses nila Lord. Sa New 5 agad, sa magandang pagsayaw pa ngayon ng pray Lord. Like pray for unity Lord sa stage Lord. Like, hindi man kami magkasama palagi o God. Hindi man kami magkasama talaga kami na pray God na magkaroon ng chemistry sa stage o God. Like pray Lord na
Showtime! Let's go! Okay, yung mic ko. Okay yung chair. Ito mga 18. Surprise. Pinapasok sa backstage.
Okay, so how do we do this? Of course, Ian. Ian's mom.
Los Angeles, ano?
Real quick,
18.
I have a very special guest with me, and that is my mom. And it is her birthday, and she called me like a month ago. She's like, Ian, there's only one thing that I want for my birthday, and that is we have to go to this. Nancy Johnson.
OMG. Cats, ay Sophie. Sophia. Si Cats, ay. Editor. Hello po, Sophia.
Oh my god, I enjoyed so much. Really? Yes. You're so annoying. You know why? I was eating pizza. I was sitting down and I was eating pizza and she was like, oh, somebody's here, and then I put it in my mouth and then I was like this. Oh my god, I was eating.
Sorry.
Why are you here?
Wait.
Why am I here?
How are you?
Oh.
How is LA?
It's good, it's good.
Yeah, we met your father.
Chika.
I know, I was in Dream Academy.
Yeah,
and then he sent me a video. My dad is a huge fan. He's obsessed with you guys.
Really?
Actually, he's
We're
always
obsessed with Anya's cooking.
yeah. He loves you guys so much. Every time you guys have a show, he's always sending you guys.
Really?
Oh. Yeah. He's just bragging to me now. And he's like, you guys.
Congrats on Gabriella.
Thank you.
Beautiful kids.
Yeah, the whole album.
And good luck on your tour.
Yeah, it's our first tour. Going to Summer Sonic.
Really?
Japan, next month. We have Lollapalooza.
Wow!
Main stage. And then, yeah, and then...
You also perform in Nickelodeon, right?
Yes, Kids' Choice Awards. Oh my god. Oh my god. It went like...
Yeah.
My mouth was open.
Oh, congratulations.
Congrats, the show, you guys are amazing.
Thank you.
Amazing performance. I hope, hopefully I get to come home.
Yeah.
I hope
Oh, yeah. Let us know, let us know.
Oh yeah, I will.
SB19 next Katsay. Wala. Kung may collaboration na mangyayari, manifesting.
Whenever in the future, maybe we can maybe share a stage in the Philippines.
So share that?
Yeah, why not? Why not?
Why not?
A special guest.
No, you guys are...
Share stage and share a song too.
Yeah.
Talikod si Pablo.
Oh my God, that is so good.
Patagilid si Pablo.
Yeah. I'm gonna annoy my team up on that. Yeah. But I'm a big fan.
Bulong-bulong si Pablo. Ano yun? Matalikod.
So maybe you guys are gonna be so busy.
Handa. Ang cute ni Pablo, nahihiya kay Sophia. Balik kasi, nahihiya. Ako ba si Sophia? Kasi Pablo parang may gustong sabihin pero sinasabi niya lang kay Estel, nahihiya siya kay Sophia.
Be so busy. Ako si Sophia?
No, I'll make time.
He's very shy.
Ay, nahihiya talaga si Pablo. Tumatagi.
I remember you watched the Working Market.
Yeah, I watched that.
Thank you for watching.
Nahihiya. Ganun pa si Estel eh, no? Huwag ko nga na yun, parang ano na. Nahihiya.
You watched the Working Market.
Yeah.
Nahihiyang kinikilig, kumbaga, no?
I'm sure you guys are tired.
No, not really.
I actually have a question. Do you guys have any like tips or advice for tour? Because I'm about to go on tour and I'm scared. So I don't.
You should get a lot of sleep. Because we haven't been getting
Rest
sleep.
and everything.
Really?
Yeah. Actually,
Oh, sorry.
if we're gonna be honest, we're really.
Stop saying that.
It's our second stop and we're really exhausted already. Jet lag. How many shows? Yeah, because of the jet lag.
How many shows?
I don't know. We just added more and it's sold out.
Wow.
You guys were sold out and I couldn't get tickets tonight. There's just random seats on the side. Oh my god, we were like, where's the O2? It was so random.
Rest, vitamins.
Oh my god.
Nothing you already know.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know what date it is.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
It's great.
Yeah. I get a lot of energy from the fans.
Yeah, for sure.
Congratulations!
Thank you. Yeah, can we take a photo with
Of
you?
course! Please! Do this! Katsay!
Hi.
I forgot.
Ano yung mga kanta nito ni Katsay, Sophia na to? Sophia.
Okay.
Ready?
Ganun siya.
1, 2, 3, 3.
Katsay.
3. All right.
333.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
May ano
Congrats again.
Hindi mo-
See you in the Philippines.
hindi malayong to, magkaroon ng collab tong mga to. Wala, di Pablo. Ayaw mo, pero. Yung muko eh, no? Ito Pablo ah. Napag-aalataan ka dyan, Pablo ah.
Hi, Ari. Morning. Ari.
Mhm.
Hi, good morning.
Hmm. Biyahe na ulit.
Yung basurahan nila, lumalakad.
Baby, that's what you do. My baby don't play.
Mag-isa? Umaandar yung basurahan.
Gutom ka lang dyan. Gutom ka lang.
Talaga.
Justin, gutom ka lang.
Nagde-deliver ng food.
Di ka lang nagla-lunch.
Lalakad na yung basurahan. Hello.
It don't make no sense. You're just having fun. You know it, you know it.
TikTok as office.
Yes, and this is just Ross. Ito yung dream namin sa 1K.
Ito yung dream namin sa 1K. TikTok. 1K employee. Saya nila, no? Magkakasama talaga, mahalit.
Let's go!
Okay. Basking nila. With stage. Nga, ito yun. Ito yung sa may ano. Sa Bay, ano ba to? Bay, ano? Okay. Napanood ko to. Sa Wish, ayan, sa Wish.
Introduce ourselves. Get in the zone, bro.
Okay. Wish USA.
Beautiful land of the Philippines.
Uy, Philippines.
Concert, okay?
Itin yung bata, oh.
Thank you so much. We love you too so much. Thank you.
Okay. Eto na, kumanta na sila sa Wish Bus. Wish USA, no? Loob. Wait, yan ah. Favorite yan. Let's go! Solid yan, no? Kinanta pala nila dito to, no? Kaya nailabas na ba? So wala pa, hindi pa nalalabas yung performance nila yan sa Wish Bus USA, no? Yung quit, tama, hindi pa. Abangan natin to, no? Kailan kaya release yan ng Wish USA, no?
We're done. Sa LA. From San Francisco to LA. Ngayon naman, pupunta kami to Toronto, Canada. See you sa Toronto, guys.
Toronto naman. Okay. Okay, after California, Los Angeles, and then Toronto. Okay. Ito na.
Ito yung sakto 12 hours difference sa Pilipinas.
12 hours difference sa Pilipinas. Oh, ito yun. Toronto nga. Meron sa 15 hours ba yun? Yung ano ba yan? Babasa. Yun. 15 hours ba yun? Los Angeles ba yun? Anyway. Bakit naman nagkata? Tantrums, boss. Nagawa mo, Josh. Sleepy baby. So, nakanganga. Pinipicture na. Natutulog, pinipicture na ng kalat. Oh, quit live vocal, oh. Ang dami rin tao. Okay, Toronto. Calgary naman. Talagang world tour, no? Pablo.
Get one and back. Get one and
May exam sa labas. Exam.
Ako na lang po pala mag-get one and pass.
Get one and pass.
For the fan project.
Hindi po halag ng basta lakas ang basta. Wait.
Sure. Damsa ko na di ko inida. Dito na ako sa wakas.
Dito na ako sa wakas. Uy. Akala ko si Kalen. Akala ko Kalen kaso na-edit eh, no?
Sure.
Ay, ganun ba yun? Wala tayong makikita ngayon ng ulan.
Malalakas ang ulan.
Aw. Aw.
Ayaw pakita sa atin ng magandang panahon.
Uy, ganda nung ano. Nag-stop na yung rain. Ganda nga kami, no? Naglaro o dalamin. Josh Pogi.
Oh, it's so muggy. Muggy.
Pogi.
Muggy.
Picture. Video sa family picture.
Yung punit eh. Ano?
Yeah.
Kapote. Kapote rapper.
Ikaw kuya, magano ka? Kapote ka. Kapote rider.
Kapote.
Mga kapote rider. Kulay ng kanya, maganda.
Sakto. Wala ko yung para ba yan?
May video yun.
Okay ka na, isa ka na. Sino mo? Oo, medyo.
Kinikilaw na naman si Jan.
Pwede ka makit doon? Oo, pwede. Paano ko? Iba yung may doon. Zipline.
Zipline.
Congratulations, you have finished.
Graduate. Ang kulit din. Loud. Ang saya nila eh. Kaya naman
Malamig.
masasta.
Nandito ko. Malamig yung water?
Sobra.
Warm.
Warm. Whisperer.
May pusa sa taas. May ibon nasa taas. Ibon po sa'yo?
Isa prank. Ibon pala.
Kaya pala umuulan.
Ganda oh. Parang photos lang oh, picture mo, di ba? Pero ang ganda ng kuha oh.
Tingin tayo sa view ah. 1, 2, 3.
Ayos. The zone natin.
Ay,
Tawa. Ayan. Balik na sila sa hotel. Okay. North America Part 2. Yung Part 2 ito. Soon to.
We have a surprise here. It's a drone show.
Ito yung ano, ito yung FB, drone show. So ito yung Part 2. Abangan natin itong Part 2, no? Okay. Mukhang masaya yung Part 2 rin, ha? Blur. Yung katawan ni Phil. Okay, SB19 Vlogs on Weezo, Hollywood Night and Maple Dreams. Alright, like natin ta. Diba? So ang saya na naman nila dito nga po, no? Sa North America Part 1 ng vlog ng ating mahaliba nga po, no? So yun, abangan natin po yung Part 2, no? Yun, so mukhang masaya rin yung Part 2 nito, no? So from California, bumiyaya papuntang Los Angeles, ang papunta ng mga Toronto, tapos Calgary. Grabe, world tour talaga, no? World tour ng ating mahalima. Okay, yun. So mga madam sir, thank you so much once again sa panonood sa aking video upload na to. Magkita-kits po tayo sa mga sunod na upload. Once again, Dog TV. Peace and I'm out. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Mwah.